Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Starr here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you withdrawal proof. I'm going to be showing you how much I've been able to make on this website by just watching videos. Okay, so what I do on this platform is I only watch video per day and I make money from it. Okay, so recently I withdrew about I think 3,800 naira from this website on Sunday, and I was paid directly to my bank account. So if you can see clearly, you can check, you can follow the arrow. You see I'm having up to 10,000 naira on my dashboard already, and this is all I made by just watching video. Okay, so I don't want to withdraw this right now. I would have done a live withdrawal, but let me show you some of the videos I watched and how much I got from each video I watched. Okay, so you can see the list of videos. You can see 5 hours ago, you can see 1 day ago, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. You can see 1 week ago I watched one video, and each video pays me 400 naira. Okay, so these are the links to the video on YouTube, and these are YouTube videos. They are short videos I watch, and I get paid daily. Okay, so recently this platform launched another way you can make money, which is the premium plan. Okay, normally you're going to make up to just 550 naira by commenting on a post and watching a video daily, but recently they launched a premium plan that can help you make at least 2,600 naira every day on the platform. Okay, so on this premium plan, you're going to be getting 1,600 on each video you watch and 1,000 naira on each post you comment on. Okay, so before I take you through how you can do that, let me quickly show you my credit alert so you can see that this website is real. Okay, so if you're seeing my channel for the first time, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Okay, so basically what I do on this channel is I make research on how to make money online. I make research on websites and apps that pays. Okay, and I teach digital skills as well. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, so you can get notified whenever I drop videos on this channel. Okay, so right here you can see 3,800 naira right here. This is what I was able to withdraw on Sunday. Okay, you can see this is my account details here, and this is the time I placed the withdrawal, and this is the money was paid to my bank account. Okay, so let me go to my gallery and show you the screenshot of this payment. Okay, so right here, this is the screenshot of the alert I got. Okay, this is the screenshot of the alert I got after I placed a withdrawal from the website. You can see Viewpoint income. This is the name of the website, and this is the money I was paid. Okay, so basically all I did on this website was just to comment on posts and watch videos. Okay, so if you're doing this, you're going to be making a whole lot of money. I want us to do a little calculation on how much you can be making on this platform daily. Okay, so let me go to my calculator app right now and show you some things you need to know. Okay, one thing you need to know about this website is that it's not free to join. Okay, to start up on the normal plan, it's 2,500 naira. Okay, so when you sign up with 2,500 naira using my link, you're going to get 500 naira bonus immediately. That's like you signed up with 2k. Okay, so let's say, okay, once you sign up with 2,500 naira daily, you're going to be making 550, which is watching one video and commenting on one post. Okay, so let's say 550 times 30, let's just do it for 1 month. That's like 16,500 naira. This is somebody's salary. Okay, so you can be making more than this if you're good at referrals. Okay, on each referrals you do, you're going to be making 1,450. Okay, so let's say you were able to refer just 10 people. Okay, that's like 1,450 times 10. Okay, you see that's like 14,500, and you can refer as much as possible people you can. Okay, so there's no limit to how many people you can refer, although you can't be watching more than one video. Okay, so that is how the platform works. And recently they launched a premium plan which helps you make 1,600 on each video you watch. Okay, so let's say 1,600 plus the 1,000 naira for commenting on post, that's 2,600. okay, so let's times this by 30. In a month you're going to be making up to 78,000 naira. okay, this is a huge amount of money. okay, you're going to be making up to 78,000 naira, and all you need to join this premium plan is just 10,000 naira, and it's one-time payment. okay, so once you just make that payment of 10,000 naira, you're going to get a bonus of I think 4,000 naira, and then you're going to get 4,000 naira on each referral you make. Like anyone you refer that joins through that premium plan, you're going to make 4,000 naira on that. okay, and if you're not cool with referring people, it's fine. You can just focus on watching your video and commenting on post, and believe me, this is what you're going to be making. okay, I actually showed you my payment proof, and believe me, this website is real. okay, so if you're beginning to like what you're seeing on this video right now, I would say you should give this video a thumbs up. okay, so hit on that like button right now, hit on that like button, encourage me. okay, so I can have more courage to make videos like this, and also test out website that will help you make money online. okay, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. okay, smash that subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on the platform, you're going to get notified by YouTube that I just drop a video. okay, so I'll be dropping the link to this website in the description of this video. so what you're going to do is you just make sure you use my link to sign up, so you can get your bonus. okay, so you can actually pay directly to the website because it's not free to join. okay, you're going to, if you want to be earning up to 550 per day, you're going to start with 2,500, which is one-time payment. okay, and if you want to be earning like the 2,600 per day, that's the premium plan, you're going to start with 10,000 naira. okay, and you'll be paying directly to the platform. okay, if you don't want to pay directly to the platform, there is on the registration page, there is a place you're going to see where they'll show you list of vendors you can pay the money to, and you get your registration or activation code. So once you just get that done, your account will be ready and you start making money immediately. okay, so guys, don't sleep on this, don't waste time. Make sure you register and start making money for yourself. okay, you can just have this as a side hustle and still be doing your real work. okay, watching the videos, the video are just short videos of 2 minutes, 3 minutes, some of them are not even up to a minute. okay, so you just watch them, spend little time, and you'll still be making your money. okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any question about this platform, make sure you drop it on the comment section below, and I'm going to answer your questions. okay, and let me know in the comment section the plan that you prefer. Would you prefer going for the 2.5 plan, or you prefer going for the 10k plan? okay, so which one would you prefer? Let me know in the comment section. okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.